Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening PUBG Mobile and tapping the login area where QR is offered. Make sure the account you want is selected. This avoids accidental account switching. On a second device, a PC or phone, open the Game Companion or Web QR page and generate the code. Once done, position devices so the camera sees the QR clearly. You do this now because capturing a fresh code prevents timeout errors and keeps the link secure during authentication. You point PUBG built-in scanner at the QR and hold steady. The app recognizes codes quickly when framed center. Once scanned, read the authorization prompt and accept only the permissions required for login. This ties the QR token to your account. If the app asks to confirm device pairing, approve it to complete the handshake. Make sure to keep the generating device active. QR tokens expire fast, so complete authorization immediately to finalize the login. You finish by checking the in-game profile and settings to confirm the QR login succeeded and that your inventory and friends list match. If you see mismatched data, go to Account Management and unlink the device, then repeat the scan process. If scanning fails or you get a timeout, close and reopen both apps, regenerate a fresh QR, and try again. Remember, restart, regenerate, and reauthorize. That sequence resolves most connection glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.